Hi, I'm Stacy.
Hi, I'm Bella.
And this is
Biblio Bites.
Well, this week kicks off 5th grade reads. It's a community reading project. We're inviting all of the 5th graders and all of the public and private and homeschooling groups in Frankfort and Franklin County to read the same book and then come together and discuss it throughout the next 2 weeks. So the book that we are going to be doing is The Lions of Little Rock. It is a great book, highly recommended. But tell me about some of these programs, Bella.
Yeah. So on Monday at 6:30 we have I Am Self-Portrait. This is for grades 3 through 5, and you guys can come and kind of make this canvas of yourself and like have description of like who you are and just learn about yourself. So
Sounds good.
yeah.
On Wednesday at 6:30, we've got the Lions of Little Rock book discussion. This is for grades 5 and any interested adults who would like to come. We're going to have a really good book discussion of this book. Very
So
good,
sweet.
highly
Yeah.
recommended, very good book.
And Thursday at 6:30, we have a walk in their shoes for grades 3 through 5. You guys can come and you guys will be able to look at images of historical shoes and see what those told about people during that time period.
It's going to be an interesting take and interesting glimpse into the past.
Yeah, exactly.
On Saturday at 2 p.m., we have Freedom Songs, History of Black Music. This was originally scheduled for last month. We unfortunately had to cancel it, but it is being rescheduled for this Saturday at 2 p.m. So please come on down. We're going to have a performance by the Bright Star Touring Theater. It's going to be really good.
Good.
All right, Bella, what are you reading?
I am reading With This Pledge by Tamara Alexander. It's a historical fiction book set in the Civil War time period, and it's a really, really good book. I don't always like when books like take a long time to get into the main like theme. This one just kind of jumps into it, and so this woman, Elizabeth Clouston, she is a governess at a mansion, but the mansion becomes like the field hospital, and she's like becomes the surgeon's assistant, working right alongside him, like patching up the wounds of soldiers. And there's this one captain that likes her, and I don't know the ending yet. I can't wait to find out how it ends, but I know that she saved him from having his leg amputated. So it's really neat, really good so far.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah. What are you reading, Stacey?
I'm listening to, I am continuing my Wheel of Time progress. This is the audiobook for the 7th book in the Wheel of Time series, A Crown of Swords. So I've talked about the series before. It's a very good fantasy series. It's extremely long, and so all these books are huge, so I'm making slow progress, but making progress listening through all of them. Highly recommended series if you like fantasy novels.
Awesome.
All right, well that's it for this week. Hope to see you at the library. Bye-bye.
Bye.